In a familiar high school chemistry demonstration, an instructor first uses electricity to split liquid water into its constituent gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Then, by combining the two gases and igniting them with a spark, the instructor changes the gases back into water with a loud pop. Climate change will likely change many aspects of life on Earth, including making access to clean water a big problem. Clean water, there is no life without it. Every person needs at least 20-50 liters of safe, clean water a day to drink, to cook with, and to bathe. The world is facing a growing water crisis. The reasons for water insecurity are complex. Part of it is due to population growth and the depletion of groundwater supplies. 30% of the Earth's fresh water lies in deep aquifers, and it is being extracted at dangerously unsustainable amounts. Water infrastructure in many places is crumbling, and billions of gallons of treated, safe drinking water are lost every year. Water is wasted in farming, irrigation, the production of energy, and other water-hungry industries. Now there is nothing to worry about. Scientists have found a solution to this problem as well. Scientists have discovered a new way to make water. A water molecule formerly known as dihydrogen monoxide is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. But you can't simply take 2 hydrogen atoms and stick them onto an oxygen atom. In English, the equation says, to produce 2 molecules of water H2, 2 molecules of diatomic hydrogen H2 must be combined with 1 molecule of diatomic oxygen O2. Energy will be released in the process. In recent years, plenty of new technologies have sprung up that bring water to communities that need it most. 1. Fog catchers. Fog collection is the harvesting of water from fog using large pieces of vertical mesh netting to induce the fog droplets to flow down towards a trough below. The setup is known as a fog fence, fog collector, or fog net. 2. Desalination. Desalination is the process by which the dissolved mineral salts in water are removed. Currently, this process, applied to seawater, is one of the most used to obtain fresh water for human consumption or agricultural purposes. The evaporation of seawater leaves salt behind and forms clouds that give rise to rain. Aristotle observed that evaporated and condensed seawater would turn into fresh water, and Da Vinci realized that it was easy to obtain using a still. Over the following centuries, seawater desalination was used particularly on boats and submarines to provide the crew with fresh water during long trips. However, this process was not available on a large scale until the Industrial Revolution, and especially not until the development of desalination plants. 3. Water from air. Water vapor in the air can be extracted by multiple techniques, including condensation, cooling the air below its dew point, exposing the air to desiccants, using membranes that only pass water vapor, collecting fog, or pressurizing the air. Ogs are useful where potable water is difficult to obtain because water is always present in ambient air. 4. The LifeStraw. LifeStraw's membrane microfilters are made of hollow fiber membrane technology, a similar technology used in kidney dialysis. These membranes are made of small straws that contain microscopic pores of 0.2 microns in diameter. Dirty water enters one side of the straws and clean water passes through the pores, while bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and other forms of turbidity are blocked and unable to pass through because they are too large. The result is safe drinking water flows into a clean chamber for drinking while contaminants are blocked. 5. The Drinkable Book. Each book is printed on technologically advanced filter paper, capable of killing deadly waterborne diseases, and each page is coated with silver nanoparticles whose ions actively kill. Once water is passed through the filter, bacteria count is reduced by over 99.99%. Making the filtered water comparable